All right, I just got back from the post office, so let's get this opened up. All right, so Under Armour sent over this dope little care package. First thing I got here are these shorts. They kind of feel like a fleece. Pretty nice. All right, so these are the Curry Splash 24 suede. Check them out. All right, so if you've seen the channel before, I have done a lot of Curry products in the past. I haven't done anything outside of his signature line. We know that the Curry 12 had its debut over the summer, and then we started seeing it on court with a global actual launch, I think pretty recently within the tail end of October. This shoe I have seen before. It is part of Curry's takedown line. So something a bit more affordable, I think, for someone that doesn't necessarily want to break the bank. A little bit of the tech is different than what you see in the signature line, just like any other brand. They usually have a takedown line that's just a bit more affordable. This right here, on first glance, you have mesh all the way around the shoe. You have a dynamic lacing system in the front, Steph Curry logo in the back heel. And what's interesting is that there's a lot of suede on the shoe. I don't love playing basketball in suede shoes. I really think suede doesn't necessarily belong on something on court just because it gets beat up really, really quickly. However, they've only added it as sort of little accent points on the shoe. So it's really just in the back heel. You have that hairy suede, which actually adds like kind of a different touch. Overall, you have mixed materials, right? You have what appears to be kind of like it's almost like a Durabuck or a very, very fine nubuck in the front toe. You have mesh on most of the shoe, and then small side panels with a hairy suede. The tech they use in the midsole is called Micro G. I played with Micro G on other Under Armour shoes, but this would have been like at least 5, 6, 7 years ago. Micro G overall, I find to be pretty firm. It is quite responsive as well, but it's not as cushiony as the UA Flow technology that you see in a lot of Curry signature shoes. But overall, I mean, if you're looking for a shoe that's not going to break the bank, you're someone that's playing basketball, maybe you're in high school or lower level, maybe you're just someone that wants to play casually, I think this is a great shoe for you. Personally, I don't have a problem playing in the takedown models of shoes. I've done that with various other brands as well. When you're playing at a certain level, you might be able to start seeing the differences in certain shoes. For me personally, I think like if you're not at that professional or very high, like elite kind of skill level, I don't really see the huge benefit side of, say, like a Micro G versus a Flow Tech on your overall game. I think if you're just someone that's a casual hooper, get the shoe that fits financially for you, because basketball sneakers, I run through them super quickly. So something like this is a really good option. So that's it, guys. Really quick video of the Curry Splash 24 in suede. If you're not subscribed already, definitely hit that button. I have new videos dropping every single week. Until the next one, peace.